Straight Mafia member.
I brought him and I was like, damn, it's too long.
I'll do that shit. But the missing sign
Straight Mafia. Let's go.
Yes, now. The Beamer boys are out. Good at me. Straight to boost. Straight to boost. Yeah. Yeah.
Good G8. Best car here. Okay, we got the Igloo. Igloo signing in. Igloo Part 2. Big Mac Scatty Pack. Alright, where are we going? We're going this way? Alright.
I gotta get a clear.
Weapon? Oh shit. Last thing. Be outside with it. What's going on? What's going on? Big taking over, you feel me? What's going on? We got a platinum team outside. Yeah. Bowlame, is that you? Bowlame, that you? The SSGA? Those were taking over members right there that shipped over for me. Alright, where are we going? The HSV's around here. Huh? The HSV. A la verga. Yeah, I love them too. I love Mills. Let's go this way. Yeah, type shit. Flashbacks right there? With that G or what? Flashbacks or what?
Yeah, he's cool though. He's manual. Oh shit.
No limit way. Good angle on that LS4. Honey. Seabass.
Junior, Sammy.
Seabass, where are we going? Going that way?
Alright.
Alright, let's get it.
Swing on that one.
Fucking stingray too. They bamboozled me, dude. Why haven't you taken any pictures?
Yeah, I don't like this kind of. It's dark.
Dude. With RCF, no?
I don't know. You guys.
Yeah. It's RCF.
I think so.
Two-door.
Got the hood.
It's a two-door. Called it. Good RCF. Good RCF.
Nah. Wait.
RCF.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah, I'll see the back one.
Yes, you monkey boy. Good. Where's the whatchamacall?
Said what?
I'm trying to look for the UTE, the truck.
Oh, you?
Yeah. Good Cobra. Where are we going? Let's go see the lineup right here. A la verga. There's no lighting here, huh? Shit. Yeah. Steel? Oh, fuck.
Man, the giveaway?
Good intro. A la verga. For real, man.